With access to the internet, anyone can easily make money online.
Millions of dollars was on my mind at that time. I was dead broke. There was no time to relax, go hang out, party. No, I was broke. I needed millions. I saw, even when I had negative money in my account, which was very often, I saw millions in my...
So, why aren't most people doing it? It's because everyone is too busy watching useless content. In this video, I'll teach you 5 ways to make your first $100,000 online so you can live like a king. Number 1. Faceless Instagram pages. One of the easiest ways to make money online is through Instagram, which is why almost everyone is promoting their page. Whether they're models, fitness influencers, or financial gurus, they are all pushing their handles every chance they get. What do they get in return? Money, of course.
And today we're gonna do something different. So originally for this video, I wanted to literally ask 100 people on the streets, just 100 random people every single day for like a week or 2 weeks. Just ask them if they would follow.
Now, you might be wondering how to make money on Instagram since the platform doesn't have built-in monetization. I'll explain how it works and how you can do it too, without ever showing your face. There are many Instagram pages that simply post pictures. Take quotes about life, for example. They post a few pictures daily with some words on them and have 1.9 million followers. You could have a similar page. How, you ask? You can use online tools like Canva or Snappa. Canva in particular has a lot of features you can use to create posts every day. If you're consistent and post daily, you could have a page with hundreds of thousands of followers. Now, on to the money-making part. Since Instagram doesn't offer direct monetization like ads, you'll need to sell something yourself. For starters, you can offer shoutouts to other pages. There's a whole market of people you can find on Shoutcart. Plus, once you're big enough, people will reach out to your DMs for shoutouts. Considering that creating a few posts for one page takes only 30 minutes, you could manage around 10 pages on your own. That's when your earnings shift from pocket money to real business income. You can also sell products through affiliate marketing, and I'll share something even better at the end of this video. Number 2, faceless YouTube channels. Just like Instagram pages, you can start YouTube channels that you can run without showing your face or using your voice. It's easy to be like most other channels that just take clips from movies and shows, but they all have one major drawback. They aren't great at selling, and there's always the risk of getting copyright strikes. Instead, you should create original content using tools like Canva and ChatGPT. You can ask AI to generate hundreds of quotes or quizzes, then use Canva to turn these words into a video. The best part? You can make hundreds of videos in just an hour. That's how easy it is to make money on YouTube.
I got a page showed up of this channel who's doing the strategy I'm going to show you, and they're making upwards of $20,000 per month.
Number 3, freelancing. In today's digital age, there's always someone who needs outside help, and that's where you come in. If you have specific skills, you can join freelancing platforms and sell your expertise. Even if you feel like you don't know enough, that's okay. You can learn for free through YouTube tutorials. But what skills should you be learning? It could be anything from video editing, digital marketing, script writing, to something more complex like web development. Remember, the more complex the skill, the more it pays. And what's the harm in learning something for free, right?
And because I grew up in this environment of learning respect, I learned that, hey, you can be a king one day, but in order to be a king, you first need to be a pawn. You first need to be able to earn your stripes.
Once you've chosen your field, head over to sites like Fiverr and Upwork, where you'll find plenty of job opportunities. You can start earning and becoming independent at an early age. Number 4, sales. There are 2 types of people on the internet, those who buy things and those who sell them. If you don't want to be on the losing side, you better start selling something. Sales is the best way to earn a lot of money on your own. Once you master the art of selling, making $100,000 will seem like child's play, and soon you'll be rolling in millions.
I think sales jobs are probably the best job any person can get. If I had to get a job again, it'd be a sales job. Because you learn a lot as a salesman. And also, if you're actually good at it, it's not even really like having a job. They don't fire the top salesman. They don't give a...
People always need something, and you can capitalize on that need. Find a niche you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Your job is to convince others that they need your product. You can achieve this through digital marketing or by developing the ability to spot market demands. If you're not skilled in this area, you can take a sales and marketing course to learn. This leads us to our final method. Number 5, selling a course. Remember when I mentioned selling something on your Instagram? You can sell your own courses. Millions of people are looking for guidance, just like you were once. All the skills and knowledge you've gained can be packaged into a course and sold to others. If you start by selling a course for $10, you only need 10,000 people to buy it. Does that seem impossible? It's not. You could also create a premium course that offers more depth or niche-specific courses. You can even make a course on how to create courses. Now, instead of needing 10,000 buyers, you only need 1,000, or even just a few hundred. That seems much more achievable, doesn't it? And that's how you can make your first $100,000 online. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. And if you want more videos like this, remember to subscribe to the channel.